Ahmed sat motionless at the dinner table, his eyes fixed on the small glass salt shaker.
The doctor's warning echoed in his mind like a heavy drum. High blood pressure, a silent threat.
He reached out, his fingers trembling, caught between old habits and a new fear for his life. He hesitated, then slowly pushed the shaker away. Your body only needs 1 gram of salt daily, the doctor had said. You get that naturally from meat, eggs, and vegetables.
Ahmed looked at his plate of spinach and grilled fish. For years, he had been masking the true taste of life with white crystals.
He thought of remote tribes who never touched salt, living free from the shadow of hypertension.
With a sudden surge of resolve, he shoved the shaker to the very edge until it fell into the trash with a sharp,
final clatter. He stood up and marched to the kitchen. One by one, he cleared the cabinets,
purging every jar of hidden salt. By morning, fresh herbs replaced the chemicals. The transformation had begun. 1 month later, the monitor flashed a steady, healthy green. Ahmed stepped out into the warm sunlight, feeling the calm rhythm of his heart. He hadn't just changed what he ate, he had claimed his future. Every breath felt lighter. He was finally, truly free.